Hey guys, Pete here with Make It Mediterranean. I'm with my partner here, Lenny. Say hello.
Hello.
This is our first show. We're very excited. We want to welcome everyone. We apologize for the noise. We're in our test kitchen, so it's a little hectic here, but we're going to have lots of fun. We're going to do some crazy stuff. We're going to be shooting at different locations. It's going to be awesome. So remember to like and subscribe and follow us. It's going to be great. So what are we doing today?
I think we're taking on a classic.
So we're taking on a classic. What does that mean? We are taking on the classic American burger. Look at this. Greg, come on in and show us the burger. So this burger looks kind of weak. It looks a little sad. It's got all kinds of stuff in here. Nothing against the Whopper. I'm going to be honest with you. I love a Whopper. I love the grilled taste, the flame taste. It does have a lot of flavor. It is fast food, so it's always going to look a little sad. But she won't let me eat it because it's not really good for you. But I'm trying to lose some weight, but I do love a Whopper. Maybe I'll sneak it in later. But anyway, we're going to take on a classic burger. And what we're going to do is we are going to do a Mediterranean pork burger with horta and our own Greek yogurt sauce. What is horta? This is horta. And you're looking at this and you're saying, what does this look like? It looks like dandelion. There's just no yellow flour. This is exactly what it is. It is dandelion. This is an organic dandelion. Dandelion. So what we're going to do is we're going to saute this, and this is going to be our veg for our burger. So we're going to saute with a little bit of olive oil, a little garlic, a little salt, a little pepper. It's going to be nice. So what we want here is we want 80-20. So we are taking our pork tenderloin, which is the filet mignon of the pork. Okay, it's got some fat on here. We're going to trim this real nice. We want this lean. This here, what does this look like? What does that look like to you?
A very thick piece of bacon.
All right, so I'm going to trim this meat. While I'm trimming it, we're going to get everything together. We're going to come back. I'm going to show you it all nice, neat, and trimmed. And there we go. All right, guys, so here we go. We have our commercial style stand mixer. Kitchen Made, I believe, makes these, yes. These things are great to have. They're very universal for the home. You can make bread and doughs and mixtures and do all kinds of things. And they got these crazy, awesome attachments. This one is a meat grinder. I'm gonna turn this baby on. Full speed ahead. So now it's time to make our burger patties. So I have an 8-ounce scooper here. Why 8 ounces, do you ask? Because then I know I have a half-pound burger. So what I want to do is I want to scoop it. I don't want to mix my meat because it makes it really tough. It'll make it dry. So I have my burger patty just like that. Nice, big patty that we're just going to form. Look, I mean, look at that. I mean, that's gorgeous. All right, we're back, and here we go. It is time for our ciabatta bread. We're laughing because I jumped the gun. I started the scene before the camera started rolling. So, bugs, we're working it all out. It'll be fine. So we have our ciabatta rolls right now. We're gonna cut them in half. Don't cut yourself. Make sure they're nice and even, otherwise they'll toast uneven. And while we're doing that, I am going to get our garlic prepped. Okay, so we have that. This is good. We're going to take the back of our blade, put it in our bowl. We are going to add a little pinch of salt to this as well. Yeah, maybe a half teaspoon-ish. Just a little dash, all right? A little salt in there. because what we're going to do,
Oops.
really? This is like a thing with her, you know. She never puts the lids on, right?
Well, that is my fault.
That is your fault. She prepped this bottle. She does this all the time. We could be in the office drinking soda or something, the cap's never on tight. Or when I go to make coffee and I like to shake my creamer first, lid's never on, it goes everywhere. She's laughing because she knows it's true. So we're gonna put in about a quarter cup of olive oil. All right, so we got our salt, we got our olive oil, and we got our fresh garlic. Okay, so we're just gonna mix this up. So I'm gonna make sure I get this garlic spread out onto my bread. Okay. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna put that on the middle rack. So anyway, so we're gonna put about a cup of Fage Greek yogurt, maybe a little bit more. So I'm gonna show you a trick. If you wanna come down here, Greg, let me show the people this trick. I'm gonna make this into a paste because I'm not gonna get it fine enough that I want with my knife. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean my knife. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of salt right over my garlic. Okay, and what that's gonna do is it's gonna make it coarse, right? It's gonna have an abrasion, and I'm going to slide my knife, scrape and slide my knife. And that salt is actually mashing my garlic, turning it into a garlic paste. And it's gonna also season my yogurt. So we put our lemon in there face down, and now we squeeze the juice right in there, just like that. So we're gonna start with half a lemon, okay? Cup of yogurt, a clove of garlic, and we're gonna whisk this all up, and let's see if this is enough. I want it to kind of be thick, but not too thick, you know what I mean? So we're gonna throw this in here. Now, when you're dealing with a hot pan and oil, and you're dealing with vegetables, be careful because these things are full of water, they're mostly water, and it will pop. So we're gonna stand back a little bit. I'm gonna saute this up, make it nice, make it real nice. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of salt, always a little salt. You can use pepper too if you want pepper. It's looking good, it's nice and bright and green. Now I'm gonna throw my garlic in. Half a lemon juice squeeze on this. Oh yeah. Awesome. All right, so we're gonna get a little olive oil in our pan. We don't want our burger to stick. And we're gonna put our patties in here now. You hear that? That's what you want. Now you know your pan is hot when you got the sizzle. You want the sizzle. So we're gonna put these burgers in here, get some grill marks on them, and then we're gonna throw them into the oven. All right, we're gonna check these out, see what we got going on. Oh baby, look at that burger. Got a nice, sorry my hand's in the way. Get some grill marks. Oh, those look beautiful. We're gonna let this go probably about 5-6 minutes, and then we're going to use our meat thermometer, give it a little temp check, you know what I mean? Okay, so our burgers are out. 160 degrees is the temp. I pulled them at 154 because they're gonna continue to cook a little bit more. So what we wanna do is get our burgers off the pan onto a cooling rack. We want to let this rest for a few minutes, 5-6 minutes. We're just going to let it rest. If you don't let your meat rest and you bite into it or you cut into it, the juices have not redistributed yet and they will just leach out everywhere, giving you a dry burger. Okay, so don't do it. Let's mix up our horta here, but we don't want the veg on the bottom, so we are going to take our beautiful, beautiful burger. Come on. And then we're going to top it with our horta. Our beautiful, beautiful horta. Now, I mean, yeah, the classic's good, but look at that. Come here. Come on. Look at this. Look at that. How good is that? Look at that. I need my bread knife. We're gonna cut into this baby. Oh, do you hear that? Do you hear that?
Yes, I do.
Who doesn't like crunchy, crispy, beautiful bread? Oh, the steam's coming out. Let's get in there.
Oh, wow.
Come on.
Wow.
Look at that. The steam coming off. Look how juicy that is. Come on. Look how juicy that is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah, that noise. That sound of crispy, beautiful, crunchy. You're not getting away from me. There you go, partner. Cheers.
Cheers.
Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, I'm sorry, but I have to be not nice. I gotta eat this right now.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Dude, that's scratch. We made this burger from scratch. We ground our own pork.
I'm not even kidding. This is amazing.
I like the texture. I'm getting, you're getting the lemon, you're getting the garlic, you're getting the horta, and that crispy texture of bread. So good. Oh my God. I can't eat. Can't take another bite. Won't be able to talk. You
Go
happy?
over here and eat.
So good. This was our first show. We're only gonna get better. So you gotta like, you gotta subscribe, you gotta click the bell so you don't have to look for us. We'll find you, right? Make it nice and easy for you guys. We're gonna do some awesome, awesome stuff. We are so excited to be a part of your lives. Make sure you guys check us out. And then, I mean, what's the next thing we're doing? It's gonna be surprise.
I can't stop eating, so.
Oh, she's a mess. Okay, she keeps eating. But make sure you guys have fun out there. This was awesome. We're gonna be shooting in different locations, like I said. We're gonna do different crazy foods. We're just gonna come up with different things. And we're also gonna teach you some of the stuff that we grew up eating that we really like, that we wanna share with you guys. So until we see you again, whatever you guys are gonna do, make sure you make it Mediterranean. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
It was good, right?
Oh my God.